did some real quick shit, like 20 minutes shit on this side. I was trying to do jazzy with the parts so crispy and slick. Y'all don't even know. You don't even know about this. Ooh, I'm ready to start rapping. I'm ready to start going. Got me ready to go. And so no, y'all know I'm gonna blank that out, right? Y'all know I'm gonna mute that, right? Now I just gotta match the other side up and bang that out, and we good to go. We about to hit the bar, ain't that right, Cameron? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know I'm about to blank that out too.